Hi, this is Lionel Sanchez. I am interior designer and welcome to another video of uh, about discussing the TOS for the interior design licensure examination, or what we know as IDLIA. So again, I'd like to establish that it is a duty of the Board of Interior Design to prepare, adapt, and issue the table of specifications and syllabi of the subjects for examination in the professional licensure examination for interior designers, to determine and prepare the questions for the examination, which shall strictly be within the scope of the syllabi of the subjects of examination. And we also know at this point that the subjects for the interior design licensure examination is interior design, of course, furniture design and construction, materials of design and decoration, history of arts and interior design, interior construction and utilities, quality theory, and the professional practice and ethics. So let's jump right into the TOS for materials of design and decoration. It is also, I should also note that um, materials of design and decoration is one of the most challenging subjects. It is second to the history of interior design, wherein most people fail in the board exam. So uh, the overall scope for materials of design and decoration is this one. It is the applying knowledge of local and international materials for and decoration rather for all types of interiors, their properties, treatments, finishes, processes, estimate, accurate quantity or cost of materials, treatments and finishes for walls, floors, and ceiling, creative, innovative design concepts anchored on the principles of recycling, upcycling, and green design. So this is the overall basis for the materials of design and decoration. So again, I'd like to stress that the MOD has a total of 100 points, and these are the following items. And again, I also like to stress that the exam is based on the revised Bloom's taxonomy, wherein the levels of difficulty is according to the following: easy mode, the moderate mode, and the difficult mode. And for easy, you have remembering and understanding the lessons, and for moderate mode you have the application of the lessons. For difficult mode you have analyzing and evaluating. And you also notice that for this exam, just like the history of art and interior design, there's no creating, because in this exam you will not be asked to create something, but rather it is more of um, the previous lessons that you have learned in your bachelor's degree. So basically there are four items for this TOS. We have knowing the terminology of materials, treatments, and finishes. You have 10 items for identifying the vocabularies related to interior finishes. Uh, for the exam, it will comprise 10 points. Classifying materials according to application on different interior finishes. That'll be another 10 points. Also to illustrate the given material. So again, for this exam, there is an illustration which shall have 10 points. And for the estimates of quantity, cost, treatments, and finishes, so about 20 items would be computation for quantity, installation, labor cost of materials. For this should be sustainability of materials, to select appropriate materials for specific interior spaces. That's another 10 points. To analyze the different properties of preferred materials, that'll be also 10 points. And sorry, this is suitability rather. Sorry, not sustainability, suitability of materials. Okay, and then for the fourth one, which is innovative concepts and principles of recycling, upcycling, universal, cultural, sustainable, and green design. About uh, 10 points for analyzing the or choosing the right materials, motifs, and decorations for interior design based on innovative concepts, etc. And then about 5 points of which should be um, more difficult because it falls into the level of evaluating these types of materials. And then another 5 points for recommending the applicable materials based on innovative concepts and principles, etc. About 5 points for analyzing, which is under the moderate mode, or rather applying in terms of the Bloom's taxonomy. And then it also has about 10 points of difficult mode in terms of evaluating the applicable materials. So again, a total of 100 points for the materials of design and decoration. So again, I'll see you on the next video regarding the TOS for the interior design licensure examination.